Welcome back. Now, some affiliate networks will allow you to place multiple buy buttons on one page and still send the buyers to specific upsells and downsells. You can do this within Warrior Plus. For example, we're going to look at the main product, which is the first product that the customer will see when they decide whether or not they're going to make a purchase or not. You're going to notice there that there's going to be an Add Product button. So we're going to do here, we're going to click Add Product. And we're going to choose a product that we already have available to add to this specific page. And we're going to grab the product and we're going to add it to the page. We can make any customizations that we want to make. For example, we can make it so that an affiliate can have a higher percentage for a specific product. We can then click Save. What you'll notice here inside of Warrior Plus now is that we have a second product that we will have on a specific page. We also need to add in an upsell. So what we're going to do here is we're going to add in an upsell. We're going to choose an upsell. Now we can choose a different path. However, we can make it so that the path is going to be the same as it would be if the customer made the purchase of the other product on the page. We can then click Save. What you'll now notice is that if we hover over this upsell, that what is highlighted will be the upsell that we have set up originally. What we now need to do is we now need to make sure that there's going to be a second buy button on the page for this second product, so the customer will actually have a choice. We're going to go to this code area, and what you're going to notice is that there are going to be two products that have specific buy buttons. We have the product that we placed before on a specific page. We can then use the drop-down menu, and we're then going to use a second buy button code. And so what we're going to need to do is we're going to need to copy that code, and we're going to need to place it on a specific page. Now the page that we fed to Warrior Plus is going to be the page that we have here in the setup area. So that's the page where we're going to place on the second buy button. What you see now are going to be two buy buttons on the same page with different prices. We're going to save it. And what you'll notice is that during the validation, you'll notice now that we have set up two buy buttons on the same page and that this validates for Warrior Plus. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.